Hi friends, welcome to Mathstoon. In today's video, we will learn to find the divisors of 8. If you want to learn more about divisors, you can visit mathstoon.com. Now let's move to our question. Firstly, we will find all the possible ways in which we can divide 8. We will start from dividing with 1. 8 divided by 1 is equal to 8. So we have 1 and 8 as the divisors of 8. Now we will try for 2 and we get 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Hence, 2 and 4 are the divisors of 8. Next, number 3 does not divide 8. Next comes 4, which is already here. So we will stop dividing right now. Now look that we have all the divisors of 8, which are the orange ones. Those are 1, 2, 4 and 8. So the total number of divisors of 8 is 4. Now if we look at these divisors, we can see that 2 among these numbers is a prime number because 2 is only divisible by 1 and 2 itself. So we can say that the prime divisor of 8 is only 2. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Leave your comment in the comment box. Do not forget to subscribe this channel.